Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of ESS BIZTOOLS. Happy new financial year. This is our short commentary on Business Plus newsletter, which was uploaded to our website for our subscribers to be able to download, rebadge with your name and address, and send it to your clients and prospects. And we uploaded it last Friday, 9th of July. A few of our subscribers have sought additional information on how we suggest that you should be using Business Plus. Obviously, the first step is to rebadge and send it to your clients. And then I'd suggest that you analyze the articles that we have written and decide which of your clients might be interested in a particular article or articles, and then follow them up 3 or 4 days after you send the email with the Business Plus to them, so that you can have a conversation with them to see if they're interested in enough to have a cup of coffee with you and discuss the issues. And hopefully you'll be able to convince them that you can offer them services along the lines. And if you are a gold subscriber, you will have material in the system that you can utilize. If you're not a full gold subscriber and you need access to additional products, well, we can talk to you about that. And the first one is obviously one of those types of products, research and development. It's included in the gold package. It's also available as a standalone package, but it's really targeted at any of your clients who have been undertaking research and development. The tax office and Oz industry indicate there's somewhere between 15,000 and 17,000 companies a year undertake research and development. I think that figure is going to be significantly higher this year, following on the lockdowns through COVID-19. I suspect a lot of people have been experimenting on various business-related matters, and they may have developed a new computer program or a new prototype in their sheds or on their farms. So you could start talking to them. Remember, they have to be a company to be able to claim the research and development incentive rebate. So the quicker they're incorporated within a company, the better, if they're going to get the benefit of this rebate, which is 43.5% of the eligible research and development expenditure if the company's turnover is under $20 million. So there's an article on that. The second one is looking at crowdsourced funding equity raising. I suspect that many of our SME clients are going to have difficulties in raising funds. A lot of them will not have sufficient assets to offer as security to lenders. Crowdsourced funding is an opportunity if they have a strong business, if they have a clear vision, if they have a leadership team that is keen to grow the company, and they have an appreciation of the role that shareholders can play in the development of their business. So those people, as long as there's turnovers under $25 million, they have to be a company, but currently they mightn't be a company. They might be a sole trader or a partnership. You could look at rolling them into a company. So there's some material there. Business planning is the next article, and that's very important. We're at the start of a new financial year. My recommendation is you should be talking to every one of your business clients about either preparing for the first time a business plan or updating their current business plan. It's a great way to start offering business advisory services to your clients. Predictive accounting. ESS BIZTOOLS has gone into a joint venture with Plan Guru, which is a USA company that's developed an outstanding set of software products, 3 integrated packages, budgets, cash flow forecasts, and projected balance sheets. Their Australasian representative is a very well-known chartered accountant, Paul Barnaby, who also has his own company, Beyond Accounting Technologies. Paul is the technical expert on predictive accounting. He's virtually a walking encyclopedia on predictive accounting. We now have a joint venture product that's encompassing the ESS BizTools components on budgets and cash flow forecasts, as well as Plan Guru software, and you're able to use that for 10 clients. Normally, Plan Guru's subscribers only get access to use it with 3 clients before they have to pay extra. So we think there's a saving in the offer that's been made of around $3,800. It's a little bit cheaper if you're already a gold or silver subscriber to ESS BizTools, because you've already got access to the material that ESS BizTools is contributing. So it's worth having a look at. The key concept, though, is to identify clients that you can offer this service to. And that should be virtually every one of your business clients if they haven't already done it. Budgets, cash flows, and projected balance sheets, looking at the future. Virtual Chief Financial Officer services are very important, bringing it to the attention of your client. Immediately, a client that's growing, they might currently have a turnover of $2 to $3 million and are looking to continue to grow. They're scaling up. They probably need some more advanced services. You could talk to them about that. Use this article as the excuse if you need one to ring them. Scaling up is a process that's getting more and more publicity. We are developing a brand new product package on scaling up. We have components of scaling up scattered right through ESS BizTools at this stage. We're going to bring all that together into one product, and it should be available in about 3 months' time. But now's the time to start talking to your clients, find out who is keen to go from their current turnover to increase it by 100% over the next 3 or 4 years. That's really scaling up. So you can start talking to them about what's on offer. Thinking about being a business person. That's an article targeted at people contemplating either buying or setting up a business. And I think in today's climate, there's still a lot of people wanting to do that, what I hear. So you could send that out, obviously, in the newsletter, and then ring the people who are talking about wanting to start or buy a business and see if that's given them any sort of ideas of what they would like to talk to you about. So that's the overview of Business Plus for July. Please remember, we view Business Plus as being a marketing tool for you, and that's why we've now decided to produce this short video to give you some encouragement, some hints on how you might be able to use it. But from your client's point of view, hopefully it's a educational tool, a business educational tool, telling them about things that they might have heard about years ago, but they're forgotten, and other things which they might not have ever had any access to in the past, which hopefully will help them in their business. Thank you for your support of ESS BizTools. We look forward to continuing to work with you. Stay safe, especially if you're in these areas of Australia that are still subjected to the extreme pressures of COVID-19. Have a great day. Goodbye.